Hey guys, it is Tuesday, April the 28th. Welcome back. We have two parts for your workout today. Starting off for part A, we have some for quality work. We will be doing some positional holds. So there are three movements here. We have a plank, we have a supine straight leg bridge, we have a wall sit. Round one, we will hold 60 seconds of each of those movements with a 15-second rest in between. Round two, we will hold 90 seconds of each of those movements with a 15-second rest in between. And round three, we will go back, holding 60 seconds of each movement, 15 seconds rest in between. Moving on for part B, we have an AMRAP. 12 minutes, as many rounds as possible. You will perform 8 deadlifts, 6 hang power cleans, 4 push press, and 2 devil's press. Cycle through that list as many times as you can until our 12 minutes is up. Good luck. Let us know how you did.